sent his prophets to humanity.
Marhaba, Rabiul Awwal, what a glorious month. In this month, there are many virtues that one can attain, especially on the night of the 11th and the 12th of Rabiul Awwal. It is an act of reward to fast on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal, out of the joy of the birth of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. However, it is better to keep 2 fasts. Moreover, by conducting and holding gatherings of Mawlid in this month, blessings and all types of peace prevail in that particular house throughout the year. This has been tried and tested. One should make special arrangements, stay awake on the night between the 11th and the 12th, perform ghusl, wear new clothes, put on fragrance, express happiness upon the blessed birth, and perform qiyam and salam on that night and at the time of dawn. Inshallah Azza wa Jal, whatever pious dua one makes, it will be accepted. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.